Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes? And we were with the chapter number 10. That was Tenali Rama, right? Who was Tenali Rama? Yes? Tenali Rama was one of the Ashtadiggaj of Krishna Devaraya's court. Now what do you mean by Ashtadiggaj? Ashtadiggaj means one of Ashta. Ashta means 8. And he was one of the 8 poets in the court of Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya was a king and everybody all around the people were all talking about Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama was very intelligent and people were thinking that how to test Tenali Rama's wisdom. Wisdom, अक्ल. उनका जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एटीट्यूड था, हर प्रॉब्लम को वो चुटकियों में सॉल्व कर लेते थे, ये लोगों की समझ में नहीं आता था और कई तो सोचते थे कि वाकई में वो ऐसे कर लेते हैं, चलो उनका टेस्ट करते हैं. Let us test him. Then one day what happened? One of a merchant. What do you mean by merchant? Merchant means a businessman. So a merchant from foreign kingdom, बाहर से किसी दूर देश से वो आए and he wanted to test Tenali Rama. So he took the permission of King Krishna Devaraya and he asked him that I want to test your minister in the court. And he said that I require your permission. He took his permission and he gave 3 identical dolls to the king and he said these 3 identical dolls. Identical means same. ये तीनों सेम डॉल है, इसको टेस्ट करना है और तीनों में से डिफरेंस बताना है. Next day, Krishna Devaraya, he called all his ministers and he told them to test, and in this lesson we will come to know what was the result of this testing, right? So open out page number 81. 81, this is the story which we are going to do, and let's begin reading of this story along with the explanation. Stories about the wit and wisdom of Tenali Rama, the intelligent minister in King Krishna Devaraya's court, are well known. हाजिर जवाबी, विट तुरंत जवाब देना और बहुत अक्लमंद थे वो, राइट? और किसके कोर्ट में थे? कृष्ण देवराया, किंग कृष्ण देवराया आर वेल नोन. इन दिस स्टोरी read how Tenali Rama solves another unsolvable mystery problem, right? So here he is going to solve an unsolvable mystery. तीनों dolls identical है, 100% same है, but see how he solves the mystery. उनमें से तीनों में से difference कैसे बताता है. One day a merchant came to King Krishna Devaraya's court from a foreign kingdom. Merchant, businessman, foreign kingdom, बाहर से, विदेश से. He saluted the king and then said, first he saluted the king and said, Your Majesty, Your Majesty हम जहाँ पना बोलते हैं ना राजा को, I have heard from many people that you have wise ministers in your court. He said that मैंने कई लोगों से सुना है that you have wise ministers in the court. So with your permission, I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. तो आपकी परमिशन से मैं आपके मिनिस्टर्स को टेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ. This aroused the king's interest. Aroused, जागृत होना, caused, and gave the merchant his permission. अंदर से लगा किंग को, अच्छा मेरे मिनिस्टर्स का भी टेस्ट होगा, चलो देखते हैं मेरे मिनिस्टर्स कितने वाइज हैं, कितने होशियार हैं. बोलते हैं उसको टेस्ट लेने के लिए and he gave the permission, right? The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. Identical, same. Merchant ने 3 dolls दी जो बिल्कुल same दिखती थी. He said, although these dolls look similar, ये dolls तो same दिखती हैं, पर each of them is different in some way. तीनों अलग अलग हैं. If your ministers can find out the difference, I will bow to their wisdom. अगर आपके मिनिस्टर्स ने इसमें डिफरेंस निकाल दिया तो मैं आपके मिनिस्टर्स के आगे झुक जाऊंगा, मैं उनका नतमस्तक रहूंगा और ये मान लूंगा कि हाँ आपके कोर्ट में सबसे विद्वान मिनिस्टर्स रहते हैं, राइट. बट इफ दे कांट, अगर वो जवाब नहीं दे पाए, आई विल नो दैट देयर आर नो वाइज मिनिस्टर्स इन योर कोर्ट. फिर मेरे को ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपके कोर्ट में वाइज मिनिस्टर्स नहीं रहते हैं. आई विल बी बैक इन 30 days फॉर द आंसर. नाउ सी दैट मर्चेंट, ही गेव 30 days टाइम टू आंसर. What was the question? The question was the three dolls are identical, are same, but they are different in another way, and that was to be found out. Right. The king asked all his ministers except Tenali Rama together. Now what did the king do? King called all the ministers. He didn't call Tenali Rama. He kept him in प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, उनको दूर रखा था और जब समय आएगा जब तेनाली रामा को वो बुलाएंगे और फिर वो क्वेश्चन पास ऑन होगा तेनाली रामा को. ही गेव देम द 3 dolls एंड आस्क्ड देम टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस अमंग देम विद इन द नेक्स्ट 30 days. 30 days का टाइम दे दिया और उनको बता दिया कि तीनों डॉल में से डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करो. बट एट द एंड ऑफ 3 days none of the ministers could figure out any difference. 3 दिन बाद तक एक भी मिनिस्टर कोई डिफरेंस नहीं निकाल पाया. The king got worried. किंग चिंतित हो गए, इतने वाइज मिनिस्टर्स भी नहीं निकाल पा रहे आंसर, अब क्या करें. फिर किंग ने क्या किया, तेनाली रामा को बुलाया. He said, तेनाली रामा, I did not summon you. Summon you, call you. समन करना मतलब कॉल करना. मैंने तुम्हें पहले इसलिए नहीं बुलाया था क्योंकि आई थॉट द प्रॉब्लम वुड बी टू सिंपल. मुझे लगा कि ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत सिंपल है और ये आसानी से मेरे मिनिस्टर्स इसको टैकल कर लेंगे और तेनाली रामा की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. पर अब कोई भी ये मिस्ट्री सॉल्व नहीं कर पाया है तो अब मैंने आपको बुलाया है. However, since no one has been able to find the solution, it is up to you now. अब आप देखिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम. फाइंड द डिफरेंस अमंग द 3 dolls. निकालो डिफरेंस तीनों डॉल्स के बीच में. तेनाली रामा टुक द डॉल्स एंड ही वेंट अवे. तेनाली रामा ने तीनों डॉल्स उठाई और वो चले गए. द प्रॉब्लम प्रूव डिफिकल्ट फॉर तेनाली रामा टू. प्रॉब्लम वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर तेनाली रामा ऑल्सो. इट वॉज नॉट दैट ईजी. बट एट लास्ट, आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, he figured out the difference. अब उन्होंने भी हिम्मत नहीं हारी, हार नहीं मानी और बड़ी मुश्किल के बाद उन्होंने तीनों डॉल्स में से डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट कर ही लिया. He went to the court carrying the 3 dolls on the day that the merchant had to return. उस दिन जिस दिन वो मर्चेंट रिटर्न होने वाले थे, he took the 3 dolls and he went to the court. He announced in front of the whole court that he had found the difference among the dolls. उन्होंने पूरे कोर्ट के सामने ऐलान कर दिया कि मैंने प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर दिया है. He said, these 3 dolls are different. ये तीनों डॉल्स तो डिफरेंट हैं because one of them is good, one is average and one is not so good. उन्होंने बोला ये तीनों डॉल्स में डिफरेंस तो है, एक अच्छी है, एक ठीक ठाक है और एक इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. When everyone asked him to explain the difference, जब सब ने बोला कि इसका डिफरेंस एक्सप्लेन करो, how do you say that one is good, one is average and one is not so good, then he showed them a tiny hole that was present in the ears of each doll. तीनों डॉल के कानों में एक होल था and that hole he showed it to all the people over there. And he said, he took a thin wire and put it in the hole of in the first doll's ear. सबसे पहले क्या किया, पहली डॉल उठाई और उसके कान में वो thin wire डाला. The wire came out from the doll's mouth. अब वो वायर कहाँ से आया, डॉल के माउथ में से. कान में से डाला था वायर तो कहाँ से निकला वो? माउथ में से. He did the same with the second doll. सेम चीज उसने सेकेंड डॉल से करी. Then the wire came out from the doll's another ear. पहला जो वायर डाला था वो कहाँ से निकला था? माउथ से. दूसरा जो डाला था वायर इस कान से निकला तो इस कान से निकल आया बाहर. And in the third doll the wire went to the heart and did not come out. तीसरे केस में जो वायर डाला था कान में से वो सीधे हार्ट में आया और बाहर नहीं निकला. Right. Tenali Rama explained. Now what did Tenali Rama explain? He explained the difference between the three dolls. The three dolls had a hole in their ears and one was good, one was average and the third one was not so good. Right? Now he explained. In the first doll, the wire went through the ear and came out through the mouth. पहली डॉल में क्या हुआ? वायर कान में से गया और मुंह में से निकला. So this doll is bad. ये डॉल खराब है. As it represents people who cannot keep secret. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वाली डॉल ये बताती है मुंह में से निकलना मतलब उनके पेट में कोई बात पचती नहीं है. They cannot digest any secret. कोई भी सीक्रेट बात उनके पेट में नहीं पचती. वो सब उगल देते हैं. सारी चीज़ें सारी दुनिया वालों को बता देते हैं. They tell it to everybody. In the second doll, the wire came out from the another ear. Second doll, what happened? The wire went through this hole and it came out from here. That means it is an average and represents harmless people who do not understand what is said to them. ये उन लोगों को जो बोला जाता है उनकी समझ में नहीं आता है और वो किसी को नुकसान भी नहीं पहुंचाते हैं. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. तीसरी केस में क्या हुआ? जो वायर कान में से गया था वो सीधे हार्ट में आ गया और बाहर नहीं निकला. Right? So it represents good people who will keep the secret to themselves and that you tell them. मतलब ये अच्छे लोग हैं जो अपने पेट में सीक्रेट रखते हैं और किसी को नहीं बताते हैं. This was the difference between the three dolls. The king, the merchant and all the courtiers were very impressed with Tenali Rama's wise answer. Now see, everybody was impressed with his answer. What an answer he has given. Then Tenali Rama added, this is one explanation. Now see how wise he was. For one question he had two explanations. The another explanation was, the first doll represents people who gain knowledge and spread it among others. पहली डॉल ये बताती है कि they gain knowledge and they spread it among others. So it is good. The second doll represents people who listen from one ear and let it go from another ear. इस कान से सुनते हैं और इस कान से बाहर निकाल देते हैं. So in other words, those who do not understand what they are taught, so they are average. उनके समझ में ये नहीं आता है कि क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है और क्या नहीं और वो उस बात को जाने देते हैं. They let it go. But the third doll represents people who have knowledge but keep it to themselves. उनके पास ज्ञान तो है पर वो किसी में बांटना नहीं चाहते. वो अपने पास ही रखना चाहते हैं. They do not teach anyone anything, so they are selfish. So the third case, they are selfish people. The merchant smiled at Tenali Rama's answer and acknowledged with his greatness. And he admitted, yes, you have the wise ministers in your court. So this is the whole story about Tenali Rama. Right? So let's recall the whole story about Tenali Rama. Who is Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was a wise minister in the court of Krishna Deva Raya. And one day a merchant from foreign country visited Krishna Deva Raya's court and he wanted to test the wisdom of Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama की wise intelligence वो test करना चाहते थे and the king agreed And the king thought, yes, the problem is too simple, it can be solved with any minister. But the problem was not that simple, and the merchant had given them 30 days time to answer the question. And the question was, the merchant gave 3 identical dolls, same dolls, to the king, and he told them to find out the difference, as each and every doll is different from one another. Now, after some days, nobody was able to solve the problem, so the king summoned means called Tenali Rama to answer the question. The Tenali Rama took the dolls and he went back home. He thought and ultimately he got the answer. He came up with the answer and he said that yes, there are holes present in the ears of the dolls, they are the same holes. But then he took a thin wire, he showed it to all his courtiers, he put the wire through one ear, the wire came out from the mouth. Another doll, he took the wire, it came out from another ear. The third doll, he put the wire, it went right back to the heart. So the explanation which was given was that these are bad people who cannot keep secret. The first one, the wire went from the ear, came out from the mouth. That means they cannot keep any secret which is told to them. Second one is, it went from this ear, came out from this ear. That means they do not understand what is said to them and they let it go from the another ear. Means they are harmless people, they do not harm anybody and they do not understand anything. And the third one is good people who listen from the ear and it goes back to the heart. That means they do not disclose the secret to anybody. वो किसी से भी अपनी सीक्रेट को शेयर नहीं करते हैं, वो चुपचाप अपनी सीक्रेट जो हम उनको बताते हैं वो अपने पेट में डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं, छुपा के रखते हैं. But he said there is another explanation also. You see, Tenali Rama found out 2 explanations for the same question. Another was that one category is of people who gain knowledge and give it to all. That means they are good people. Another one is they take it from here and let it go. means उन लोग के कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. So that is the second category, that is average people. And the third one is who gain knowledge and keep it for themselves. That means they are selfish people. They keep the knowledge to themselves and keep it to themselves and they do not disclose it to anybody. They do not share their knowledge with anybody. So this is the 3 differences he explained to the courtier and the merchant, and yes, the merchant was very pleased with the answer and he admitted that yes, Krishna Deva Raya's court has the wisest ministers. Right, so this is all the story about. Let's see whether the sentences are true or false. I am reading the sentence, be ready with the answer, right? So the first sentence is, a sailor came to Krishna Deva Raya's court. Who came to Krishna Deva Raya's court? Sailor. Sailor कौन होता है जो नाव चलाता है? नाव चलाने वाला आया था क्या? नहीं. फिर merchant. So this sentence is false. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. The ministers were asked to find out the difference. Yes. Is it true or false? Yes. True. The ministers failed to find the answer. True. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. So when the ministers were not able to find out the answer, who was summoned? Tenali Rama was summoned. So he had to answer the question. This is right. Everyone was impressed with Tenali Rama and realized the problem could have more than one answer. Yes, true. Okay, so now this is the end of the chapter. Okay, in the next period we are going to do the dictation words, the glossary and the question answers of this chapter. So what is your homework? Your homework is to read the chapter, understand it, and soon your PT periodic tests are coming. The periodic test will begin from the 14th and you have 3 chapters, that is APJ Abdul Kalam and the Tenali Rama, and one more chapter, that is A Dream Come True. Right. So these 3 chapters will be there for your periodic test. Start preparing for your periodic test. Read the chapter very thoroughly and underline the difficult words, and in the next period we will be writing the dictation words and the glossary. Okay, bye bye.